A rocket is launched from the top of a 100-foot cliff. The initial velocity of 116 is given by this equation. To find out the maximum height, so find out the maximum height and what time will it reach. So remember, the maximum of a parabola, this maximum point here, is given by the equation x equals negative b over 2a. Right? So what is the maximum height? So a is your negative 16, b is 116, so I have a negative 116 over 2 negative 16, and this gives me the x value, which is our t value, which t in this place is time. So in your calculator, put this in and find out what it is. So we get 3.625. So this is our time. So this is talking about seconds, right? That's our highest point. So at 3.6 seconds, it's going to be the highest it's going to reach. So how do I find the height now? I plug this in for my t's. So you're plugging in negative 16 times your 3.625 squared plus 116 3.625 plus 101, and then you throw this all into your calculator. So you get 311.25 feet. All right, number 7. The formula, this models the height of a rocket. If the model is fired at the initial velocity of 80, that's where they get that 80 per second, will it ever reach 200 meters? So what you have to do is find the maximum height, just like we did in 6, and then find out, well, will it reach the 200? Well, if it had the same formula, then we'd say yes, but it's because that one reached 300, but this is a different formula, so we have to do the exact same thing, but find out if it reaches 200. So we have x is equal to, or your time, if you think about it, negative b over 2a. Negative b now is 80, so we have negative 80 over 2a, which is negative 16. So I have, putting this into your calculator, negative 80 divided by a negative 32, that gives me 2.5. So now I find the maximum height by plugging this into the equation. And putting this in for the t, so 2.5 squared, putting this into my calculator, plus 80 times 2.5. So when you throw this all into your calculator, you get 100. So that if the maximum height is 100, will it ever reach 200? And the answer is no. Because the maximum height is 100, so it'll never reach 200. And that's how you would show it.